Okay, so this is an ad script that was created by AI. Now, there's nothing exciting about that because pretty much any other AI tools you could imagine, like ChatGPT, Mistral, DeepSeek, and many others can create something like this. But this tool called Wondercraft.ai is able to create this ad audio in just a few minutes, and all you need to provide is just the ad copy or some information about the product or brand that you want to market. And the result is pretty good. So take a listen.
Every runner knows that feeling. The moment your feet hit the pavement and the world disappears. Introducing FlexStride Pro. Engineered for every runner, every goal, every dream.
Okay, so that's just the first 12 seconds of the sample, and it sounds really, really good. So I'm going to show you how you can use this AI tool to create audio ad copy, which later you can download and maybe use it on radio, podcast, or perhaps you can turn it into a proper ad video. So what you need to do is you have to navigate to Wondercraft.ai and just create a free account. They will give you 10 credits, which is actually quite a lot because you can create several different ads or several projects, and it's quite generous actually. And if you need more credit, then you can go with a paid plan, which is a bit more expensive than the typical $20 per month of most AI subscriptions. But I think if you are working in an ad agency or marketing, this could save you several hours, if not days of work. So it's still pretty worth it. And by the way, I'm not being paid by this company. I just think that this tool is really good and will be useful for some people. Okay, here you can describe what kind of ad that you want to create, and in this case I'm going to use this fake company ad copy. This is not a real company, just some fake names. I'm going to copy this ad copy, and I'm going to tell AI in Wondercraft that I want to generate 30 to 60 seconds audio ad based on the following. And then again, just paste the content. By the way, you can also just upload a document that contains some information about the product or brand that you are trying to market. And after that, you can select the model. I think Cloud Sonnet 4 is still the best model when it comes to creativity, but feel free to use any model that you think is the best. Now, just send the message and just wait for the result. Now, sometimes Wondercraft might ask you other questions or clarification. Like sometimes it's going to ask you, hey, what kind of audience that you are targeting, or do you want to get some background music, and etc. And it's very interactive, and also you can just chat with AI. You can tell something that you want to change in the content. So overall, that's very convenient. That's something that for most people that have been working with AI is easy and intuitive. Now this process will take several minutes, and I'll just skip forward and show you the final result. Well, finally the audio ad has been created, and when I'm creating it, it's actually asking me several questions like, do I want to change the voice? Do I want to add some background music? And that's basically the way you work with this tool. You have to talk with AI, and it will do the thing based on the request on your prompt. So this is going to be quite intuitive for anyone who is already working with ChatGPT or Gemini or other AI tools. Now I'm going to play this audio and I'll show you how you can download the content.
Unleash gaming potential with Apex Gaming Systems, where elite performance meets precision. Every custom rig delivers unmatched frame rates and lightning response times. From budget builds at $899.
Okay, so that's first 12 seconds of the audio ad. And there are many things that you can do. You can change the voice. You can also add some sound effects like reverb, echo, and equalizer. So there are many things that you can do here, but overall it is quite simple. Now, if you want to download the audio, you can right click on the clip. Sorry about that, you just right click on the clip and click download clip. You can also do the same for the background music. And that's basically how you can create engaging audio ad copy for free using Wondercraft.ai. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.